fucking got in the wrong damn head. When I'm betting my girl, tickling her sweet hole, the fucking half-demon pop in my head said, oh hell yeah, big brother, some pussy I can play with too. Laughing in the shadows, got my mind running wild and blue. Dark secrets on my shoulders whisper what I'm gonna do. Demons in the mirror grinning, daring me to break on through. Shadow hands reach out to pull me where the midnight fear is true. But I dance with all my devils, cause the darkness feels like glue. That fucking half-demon thought he could take what is mine. He was dumb as hell, I put his ass on the floor. Now I am in his head, laying in bed with his wicked fling, sucking on my damn thing. So now Big Brother Dale is king of both domains with both wicked flings. Not in my head now. Now little brother, I am in your head, laying in your bed with two beautiful wicked flings, making a half-demon bow and kiss his feet, making him say, oh goddamn, big brother, you're king. Now he is holding his little nasty thing, wishing he stayed the fuck out of my head. Now he's screaming that bastard son of No Man Dale, fucking Martin is God, over everything I should have stayed out of his playground. Now every shadow whispers tales of Dale, the ruler, wild and unchained. In my playground of madness ain't no demon left who dare to stake a claim. Cause in this twisted kingdom, I'm the nightmare they just can't contain. Every scream becomes my anthem, echoing power in my name, that's right. Dale, fucking Martin bastard, a no man with all the god status over his playground. Demons kneel in moonlit corners, whispering legends of my untamed reign.